Welcome to Shelly's Cuisine. Today we are going to make prosciutto chicken. It's very simple, and we have 2 chicken breasts. They're very large. I've seasoned them: sea salt, black pepper, coffee seasoning, a little bit of jerk seasoning, and I love smoked paprika. So a little bit of smoked paprika, a little bit of garlic powder as well. You can season them however you like. So what we're going to do, we're going to start off with 4 slices of prosciutto, and we are going to twist it with basil. So we're just going to put the basil leaves on the prosciutto. I like basil, so I have 4 slices because my chicken breast is large. So I am going to turn the chicken breast down, and I'm going to wrap. Okay, there we go. That was simple, because we're going to finish this in the frying pan. So you try to overlap the prosciutto, as you can see here. And we try to roll it. Hopefully here. Try to tighten it a little bit so it stay on when we put it in the frying pan. Okay, we are going to brown the prosciutto in the frying pan, and then we will finish it in the oven. So we're heated our pan, medium-high heat. I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil. And we are going to brown our prosciutto. For about 2 minutes on each side. So we browned our chicken breasts on both sides. Took about 5 minutes, and now we're going to put it in the oven at 400 degrees for 15 minutes. I'm going to need a little longer than 15 minutes because I have a very large chicken breast. Our chicken is ready. Absolutely delicious, beautiful color. So I guess I just have to slice. Wow. Guess my slices are too thick, but it's gonna be delicious. Okay, so time for me to taste. Love it with the prosciutto on the end. Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button. Tune in next week to find out what we will twist next.